I'm doing my Mother's Day shopping this year at JEULIA.com. I have 3 pieces to show you today. I was able to hand select these pieces and then I'll be giving most of them as gifts. I did keep one for myself, however. These pieces were sent to me by Julia for this review today. Now they have a big Mother's Day sale going on. Be sure to check it out. There are so many unique and personal items to choose from. And I'll list all of those links below. I do have a special promo code for this sale as well. It's TAZS 20. And that will get you 20% off of your order. Be sure to check out all of the options. I just can't say enough about the variety and the personal nature of each one of their designs. They're more of an artisan jewelry group, and it just seems to get hit right at the heart at most people. So the first one that I'm going to show you today is one that I am keeping for myself. I had it made just for me. Now, if you remember a couple of Mother's Days back, I ordered a ring from Julia and I had it specialized. It's a family tree ring in a silver setting that's about 1 inch long there against the finger. Well, I got it in a size that was too big for me and I lost it. I was in a dressing room and I was changing clothes and things and it must have slipped off my finger and I didn't even notice. I don't even know where to go back and look for it, but I replaced it. So we have my birthstone in this tree at the top, and that's Mom, and I am a blue zirconia, and then for December, and then my sons. My first one was born in October. We have a rose quartz representing that month. And then my youngest son was born in January, which is represented here by the garnet. I get compliments and then questions about the stones, and it always gives me the opportunity to talk about my children. As a mother, I think every mother loves to talk about their children. They are just gifts from God. They're souls. They were entrusted to you through the birth and raising your kids. Now mine are grown men, married, off on their own, and I still think about them every day and love talking about them. So don't forget about this Julia family tree, silver plated. You can choose up to 6 birthstones, and it comes in sizes 3.5 through 12.5. So you could even buy this for a child. So the next piece I want to show you is this necklace that I am wearing here. You can see this lovely pendant in the shape of a cross, and then in the middle of that cross it says Mom. It features sterling silver in both the silver tones and then some rose gold tones in there as well. It features 44 of the Julia white diamond stones, and I have selected this one for my daughter-in-law. She's just a beautiful person inside and out. She is such a great devout Christian, believes in raising her children in the Christian way, and I thought this would be the most perfect gift for her. She has a 5-year-old son, Bryson, which came into our family when she married my son. We could not be happier about that. But I want to honor her for Mother's Day. Okay, the last one I'm going to show you today, and you're going to have to check out their collection of brooches. I have attached this brooch to my jacket here. I have this brooch here, the dragonfly brooch by Julia that I got years ago, and then this one just now. This is a butterfly brooch. It features a copper wiring all the way around the butterfly, and then it has some mother of pearl accents on it. It's just a pin closure in the back, and it runs about 1.5 inches. It is so remarkable and so unique. A brooch is something that if your mother doesn't really enjoy jewelry, my mother wears earrings sometimes, but she doesn't wear rings and she doesn't really wear necklaces. Butterflies just symbolize new beginnings, hope, life, and love, of course. And these items are super affordable as well, even before the discounts. So when we're looking at this ring, it's about $79 retail as of the date of this filming, about $115 for the sterling silver necklace, and then $55 for the butterfly, copper, and mother of pearl brooch. Again, all of the links are below. I want to put you in mind of Mother's Day because it's coming up quick and it just seems like it catches me off guard every year. This year I was ready. Julia helped get me ready to empower the beautiful women in my life. Everybody have a great day. We'll see you back here soon at TAZ's Wig Closet. Before I get into this and forget, I want to tell you about the wig that I'm wearing. This would also be a wonderful Mother's Day gift. This is a brand new style by Raquel Welch. It's called Director's Pick in Shaded Biscuit RL 1923 SS. About 13 to 14 inches. It features big barrelly tousled curl. No permatease, wonderful buoyant natural movement to it. Just above the shoulders, so perfect length. Could not be happier with this style.